This is my honest review of the VIVOSUN outdoor handrail. This handrail is available in 5 different steps, from 2 steps up to 6 steps. And this handrail requires assembly, but they have provided every tool and every screws that you will need to put this rail together. I started with the user manual. I read the user manual. I checked everything that is included to make sure that everything that I need to install and put this railing together is in the box. They provided 2 types of screws, depending on where you want to use the railings. One for wood, and this one is for concrete. But I'm using the wood because I'm using the railings and nailing it down on top of the deck. Nailing the end posts of the rails on top of the deck is a much easier task. But putting the railings together requires more caution, time, and patience. So here's what I did before installing this railing on the floor. I left all the screws of the rails a bit loose. By doing that, I don't have to struggle installing the 2 end posts. Once I'm done installing the 2 end posts, that's when I started tightening all the screws of the rails. This process that I use gave me a successful installation process. The railings end up to be strong, durable, and sturdy. And this railing is made of high quality iron, and it has a black, thick powder coating that protects itself from rust, scratches, and discoloration, and it can withstand any type of weather condition. It also upgraded the curb appeal of our house, in addition to provide safety and support as we climb up the stairs of our front porch. So if you're looking for a railing to add safety and support to your steps that is durable and sturdy and strong, this is the VIVOSUN outdoor handrail. Thanks for watching.